Hello everyone. My name is Seeba and I would like to thank everyone for watching this video here in CurrencyHacked.com with me. I'm Chief Editor at CurrencyHacked.com. In our previous video, we talked about the Intelligent Investor book, the what we can expect by reading the Intelligent Investor, which was written by the Benjamin Graham. Obviously, we respect him and we embrace his idea to invest either in the cryptocurrency or in the stock. We can use his strategy to invest in the stock or in the cryptocurrency. And one things we like to confirm you over here that we've also still learning the things how to uh, find the margin stock as well as how we can use the idea Benjamin Graham idea to invest in the cryptocurrency. Again, I would like to confirm here that we will be continuously giving you the education regarding to the investment and the finance in our website www.currencyhack.com, or you can visit our YouTube channel currencyhack.com. So let's move to today's topic. I'm going to talk about the investment versus speculation, a result to be expected by intelligent investor. Although we've been talking about the speculation many times in our say in our website or in the YouTube channel, we know that there was lots of speculative people in the world, and there will be the lots of speculative people in the world, and we believe that if investor is smart enough, he can take a big opportunity. Say he will have a lots of opportunity to invest in the stock or cryptocurrency because of the fact that human nature and the human psychology. Uh, we've been seen in the past that stock market gone far beyond the say intrinsic value. Sometimes it goes far below the intrinsic value, and sometimes it went up above the intrinsic value. We can give you the lots of example of those kind of issues which intelligent investor can take a profit. So let's move to our another slide over here. Yeah, it's me, Siva Prasad Bandari. If you want to contact me, my email address is personal email is siva@currencyhack.com, and you can send us email at info@currencyhack.com. Uh, Before I move forward, I need to tell you that never invest money that you can't afford to lose. Always do your own research before investing in cryptocurrency and other kind of shares. Cryptocurrency are subjected to high risk and high volatility. It's just been week that Bitcoin just hit the all-time high uh, around 24,000 USD dollar, uh, and we don't know whether it's going up or down. But what we can give you is the good strategy which will give you the better success of the chances. And let me clear here that we are not here in the race or something like this, which we have to be a winner or we have to be a first. We are trying to give you the policy which will work in the long run. So that is our own aim over here. So let's move to another slide here. Uh, uh, Obviously, we already talked about the investment versus speculation, and we've been replacing the Benjamin Graham. If you don't know about the investment versus speculation, always you can go to our article in our website currencyhack.com, or I'm going to read it loud here. What is the investment versus speculation according to the Ben Graham? An investment operation is one which, upon through analysis, promises safety of principal and adequate return. Operation not meeting this requirement are speculative. What it means is that if you want to invest in the stocks, there must be a safety of your principal. Let's say if you put the $1,000 in the stock, the the stock should be it should have a good balance sheet and some has good income statement and the on the your principal should be protected under any normal condition, we can say that. And educated, it means that you could get the dividend return, or you can get the earning out of the stock. And operation not meeting this requirement are speculative according to this statement, that we can say that Bitcoin might be a speculative. So that we recommend you to do through analysis before put your say 90% or maybe 100% or whatever 50-60% in the Bitcoin or something like this, some cryptocurrency. What you can use it, you can use the policy. Let's say you can buy them in the low price, and then when there is optimistic, you can sell them, and you can move your money from, you can cancel out from the Bitcoin, and you can put it in the bond, or maybe some index fund, we believe index fund, to protect your principal. That can be your investment operation. uh, so let's move to the another slide over here. Uh, because if you don't have that much time to study the intelligent investor, and the obviously intelligent investor is the very big book. So I'm trying to give you the some summary and the good knowledge which will help you to take a better decision either in investing or in business. So let's move forward. Mm, we have a next slide over here. Um, we've been seeing in the past that there was lots of speculation, say on 2000, uh, or maybe it's on the 2017 on the cryptocurrency on 2000. People are speculative. They did not see the balance sheet, or they did not see the earning on the company, and they just pouring the money in the air. And in the end of the day, say in the end of the day, it will have a bad ending, because of the fact that money is not growing in the tree, or money is not nobody is printing the money in the Wall Street. So Wall Street or anywhere else. So uh, Ben Graham have already stated, nearly 100 years ago, the distinction between investment and speculation in common stock has always been a useful one, and its disappearance is a cause for concern. We have often said that Wall Street as an institution would be well advised to reinstate this distinction and to emphasize it in all its dealing with the public. Otherwise, the stock exchange may some day be blamed for heavy speculative losses, which those who suffered them had not been properly warned against. Um, from this statement, we can understand that obviously uh, we what we can tell you is that we must understand the speculation versus the investment before we invest anywhere, because we can lose the substantial amount of the money if we don't do the if we don't have a good kind of skill, or maybe obviously education. So that's why we've been telling you about the speculation versus stock, because we intelligent investor will get the opportunity again and again in the future, and we believe that we're going to get a very big opportunity in the future, uh, because people are like this. They are like we can say that they are like speculative. They have a speculative attitude, and they will always see the number. They don't care about the uh, underlying value, and they don't care about the business, and they just see the they just see the number of doubling 1 to 2 and 2 to 4. And we believe that kind of investing, trading in that kind of game, most of the people are going to lose, then they win, and the broker will get the lots of money out of them. uh, So let's move to the another slide over here, and the pentagram is trying to give us that we trust that the reader of this book will gain a reasonable clear idea of the risks that are inherent in common stock commitment, risks which are inseparable from the opportunity of profit that they offer, and both of which must be allowed for in the investor calculation. So obviously, investor need to understand there are always risks which is attached with the common stock commitment. If he if investor is only willing to take a profit, we we advise him to stay away from the common stock, because obviously it has a risk, but risk plus inseparable from the opportunity, and also it has lots of opportunity of profit that they offer, and both of which must be allowed for the investor calculation. We don't see any places that you can double your money, maybe tenfold or maybe hundredfold in your money, what you can do in the stock. And one thing we can say over here, that the stock is the money printing machine for the intelligent investor. We can say that, which intelligent investor means that who will understand the investment versus speculation, and who will buy the issue in the bargain price, plus who will have better skill. We can say that art in the investment. So let's move to our next slide over here. And this is the another line, or say statement that we are really wanted you to read. What we have just said indicate that there may no longer be a such a thing as a Simon Fair investment policy comprising representative common stock, in the sense that one can always wait to buy them at a price that involves no risk of market or quotational loss large enough to be disappointing. In most periods, the investor must recognize the existing of a speculative factor in his common stock holding. It is his task to keep this component within minor limits, and to be prepared financially and psychologically for adverse results that may be of short or long duration. Over here, he's trying to tell us that there is no, say, Simon Pierre's exact investment policy. Uh, if you want to jump into the common stock, however, um, and then there is no indication, something like the red and green in the which you can find in the traffic, which will give you the signal to buy in the low price and the signal to sell in the high price. If it would be possible, everyone will be the multi-millionaire, we can say that, but this is we also can say this is almost impossible. So investors should understand, and they should recognize that there will be the speculative factor in his common stock holding, and he need to try, he need to at least try to limit his speculative component, and he should be prepared financially and psychologically for the, we can say that, adverse result that may be short or long duration. So if you are investing in the cryptocurrency, for example, then you must you must be you must prepare financially and psychology. Your portfolio can went down by 50%, or it can went up by 50%. So this is very important, statement that we can find in the Intelligent Investor Chapter 1. Let me go to the another slide over here. That's all for today. If you have any question, feedback, or if you want to contact us, you can always contact us through our LinkedIn account, and you can always visit our Facebook page, uh, Currency Hack, and Twitter. You can follow us on Twitter, and you can visit us on the YouTube. Thank you again. Thank you very much.